Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Nehemias David Lobo Games, and today I am placing my final project for the course Corporate Governance and Organization Sustainability. The company selected for this project is Grupo Éxito, one of the largest retail companies in Colombia. Introduction. Grupo Éxito is one of the leading retail conglomerates in Colombia, operating in an environment of growing regulatory complexity and pressure for organization sustainability. There is a need to strengthen corporate governance practices to ensure transparency, accountability, and long-term sustainability in the Colombian rating sector. Our group X, founded en 1949 en Medellín, Colombia, one of the largest retail companies in Colombia and Latin America, operating well-combed brands Huge, Éxito, Carulla, Surtimax, and Super Inter, committed to corporate governance, sustainability, innovation, and social responsibility. General objective: design and integrate improving plan and corporate governance and organization sustainability for Grupo Éxito, strengthening its control mechanisms, transparency, and long-term sustainable evaluate criteria. Specific objectives. One, diagnosis the current state of corporate governance and sustainability practices at Grupo Éxito. One, two, identify gaps and improvement opportunities in each organizational structure. 3. Propose concrete strategies aligned with international SG standards and corporate governance best practices. Methodology. Resign approach, measured approach, quantitative, was adopted to analyze the corporate governance and organization sustainability of Grupo Éxito. They ratio is descriptive, analytical, Halloween, the evaluation of both numerical indicators and institutional corporate governance practices, techniques and instruments, documentary analysis of sustainability reports, of board, minute, and intervenes with key stakeholders were implemented. The sampling included annual Reporting 2020-2024. Quantitative data were processed with descriptive statistics and qualitative data driven thematic content analysis. Key findings concentrating on decision making, power and the board of direction with limited independent overseeing mechanism and insufficient representation of minority shareholders and key governance bodies were aligned between executive compensation structures and long-term sustainability goals, creating incentive gaps in task priorities, short-term financial performance over objectives, inadequate undisclosed practices and non-financial reporting, wage gaps, and transparency, regarding environmental impact, social responsibility initiatives, and anti-corruption compliance frameworks. Discussion. They think of the study directly address the objectives set for Grupo Éxito, the governance diagnosis revealed structural gaps in board independence and ESG reporting, which very fully governed by the prospect and improvement plan. They integrate framework aligned with both theoretical models and practical sustainability standards, confirming the relevance of the research approach and the feasibility of implementation within the organization. Conclusion. Grupo Éxito need strengthen its corporate governance structure align its practice with international organizational sustainability standards, ensuring transparency and accountability to all its stakeholders. The implementation of an integrated improvement plan in corporate governance represents a strategic opportunity for Grupo Éxito, helping to consolidate its competitive position in the Latin American market and improving its long-term ESG performance, committing to organizational stability, not only mitigating reputational and regulatory risks, but also generates shared value for shareholders, employees, communities, and the environment in which Grupo Éxito conducts and operates. Recommended for Grupo Éxito. Implement a sustainability committee and train executive and corporate governance for future research, reporting on the GRI standards and exploring long-term governance impact on organization sustainability. Thank you.